Hey guys, right here I have this portable mini massage gun that is absolutely game changing. Now this is the Qute X1 and this is the Super Mini. I ended up getting the green color and I wanted to show you what's inside because this is such a great presentation. First off, you're gonna have a little brochure. It's gonna show you all about it. Secondly, we're gonna have a really nice portable bag, high quality, company's logo on here. And this is gonna be like a nice beige color. Pull string. This thing's gonna be small so we can take it with you. Now, let me just show you, this box makes a great gift box too because it's got magnets, open it up, and the presentation is absolutely amazing on the inside. We're gonna have 4 different attachments. We're gonna have the Type-C charging adapter, and we're also gonna get the massage gun right here. Look how beautiful this color is. This is gonna be their green model and you're gonna have like a gold, rose gold on the tip. It looks absolutely amazing. This is gonna be 0.6 pounds, so it definitely has some weight to it. It feels very high quality and I do love the way it fits in the hand perfectly. Whether you're a lefty or a righty, it is really gonna be perfect and ergonomic to the hand. On the back, we're gonna have a Type-C charging port, so that's gonna be where that plugs into. And we're also gonna get a nice little handheld here, so you can lock this around your wrist and tighten it, just so you can make sure you don't drop it. Everything is organized so well. Even the Type-C port is held together really nicely, so you can store all that in the bag nice and neat. This is actually a pretty long cord, which is nice to plug that in. Looks like we're gonna have about a two foot cord, I would say. So as I take out all these adapters, they're all going to serve their own purpose, and this one has a little bit of a felt, so you would probably just put this on regular skin, and then all these can be used on a shirt. This has like a nice smooth material, so it's not going to get stuck on anything. In order to use this, we're just going to take one of these, twist it in, that's going to just snug up, and then we're going to hold the power button to turn it on, and this thing is ready to go. You can see this thing bouncing around already. We're going to have 5 different speed modes, so you just keep clicking it, and then you click it one more time to shut it off. I actually ended up hurting my arm, so this is really nice to just get a nice deep tissue massage and really get in there. This attachment glides over clothes so well, making it really nice and seamless. The massage is really good, and this is just such a small unit. You can just throw this in your bag, take this with you traveling, and it's just really portable. All you gotta do is just twist off the attachment and you can just go ahead and put another one on. This will do some deep tissue, really get in there. But overall, I absolutely love this. These come in different colors, so you can make sure that you can check them all out. I highly recommend this. This is gonna be a game changer and something I'm definitely gonna be using all the time. I'm really surprised by the quality. Everything was way nicer than I expected. Feels amazing in the hands, and you can just tell that something like this is gonna last. I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. Add this to your cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.